If your home was listed and didn't sell, whether it was withdrawn, canceled, or expired, I want you to know there's a reason. In fact, there are several. But here's the truth. Your home deserves better. I'm Helma Christiane Bloomberg, luxury real estate specialist and proud founder of Team Bloomberg Global Real Estate, brokered by eXp Luxury. I specialize in helping homeowners in Santa Ynez, Solvang, and Santa Barbara relist, and finally get the result they were promised the first time. Today, let's walk through the 7 top reasons homes don't sell, and how my proactive, elite-level approach gives you a second chance to do it right. Poor pricing strategy. Overpricing is the #1 reason homes fail to sell. Many agents don't have the courage or the data to advise their clients on the truth. But buyers today are savvy and the market speaks quickly. I conduct an in-depth market analysis using advanced tools, real-time trends, and local expertise specific to Santa Barbara, Solvang, and Santa Ynez. My goal? Position your property where it's irresistible, not invisible. Weak marketing and presentation. Most listings don't sell because they weren't marketed like luxury homes deserve to be. Basic photography, no storytelling, and generic write-ups just won't cut it. Your home will be showcased with cinematic drone videos, breathtaking sunset photography, and a personalized website that tells the unique story of your property. And that's just the beginning. Lack of global exposure. Here's what makes working with me and the innovation of eXp Luxury so extraordinary. As part of a global company with over 90,000 agents in 27 countries and an elite network of 1,400 luxury specialists, I offer you more than just a listing. I offer you global power. Your home will appear on over 80 international platforms and be featured in prestigious publications like the Wall Street Journal, Mansion Global, Robb Report, Dupont Registry, and Forbes Global Properties. Wherever your ideal buyer is, we will reach them. Ineffective negotiation. Selling luxury real estate isn't just about showing beautiful homes. It's about commanding the right price, protecting your equity, and negotiating with precision and strength. I'm a certified negotiation expert who doesn't leave money on the table. I fight for your value strategically, respectfully, and successfully. Poor communication. Many homeowners tell me they were left in the dark, they didn't hear updates, didn't know what was going on. That will never happen here. When you work with me, you're informed every step of the way. Weekly updates, full transparency, real-time data. You'll never wonder what's happening. You'll know. Unqualified showings and weak buyer screening. Not every showing is a good showing. Some agents open the door to anyone, wasting your time and risking your security. I personally vet all prospective buyers and agents. I ensure your home is shown only to qualified, motivated individuals, and I represent your interests with the utmost professionalism and discretion. Lack of follow-through and service network. Selling a home is more than a transaction, it's a transition, and it should be smooth. I connect you with a trusted network of movers, contractors, interior stylists, and more. From prepping your home to closing and beyond, I handle the details so you don't have to. Now, how can I help you succeed the second time around? If your home didn't sell, it's time for a new beginning with a smarter strategy. With my global platform, cutting-edge marketing, aggressive pricing analysis, and white glove service, we'll position your home to sell, this time for real. Whether you're in the scenic hills of Santa Ynez, the charming streets of Solvang, or the breathtaking neighborhoods of Santa Barbara, I know this market, and I know how to deliver. Contact me at helmabloomberg.com or call me at 805-450-6006 for Santa Barbara and its surrounding horse and wine country. Let's relist your home the right way and sell it this time with confidence and excellence.